Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Connecticut. This is an example of a Bronco built on an assembly line, personalized from front to back. Starting off with this Porsche Paint-to-Sample green, combine that with the beige accent and the Ranger stripes, all painted here at Gateway Bronco. One of my favorite parts is on the interior. Let's go take a look. This German square weave carpet is fitted to perfection. It's in ivory and it makes it an amazing interior. With the barnwood in back, this is a wonderful combination. My favorite part is the houndstooth inserts in the interior. This design was curated by the customer, assisted by the team at Gateway Bronco, and we couldn't be more proud of how it all turned out. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.